Alright, hey everybody, it's AJ. And Wednesday, so it means Challenge Lock Wednesday. And today I grabbed this one because I haven't picked a Fast Charlie in a while. Is Who Are You by Fast Charlie. Key is taped up and mummified. We have something on the back. Can't read it. Hand filed from key blank, shim needed. Tail screws need to be on tight. Okay, I think there's only one tail screw on there, but that will do. Okay, let's see if we can't get into this thing. Hope everybody's doing good. I still click on 3, but I didn't get much out of it. There we go. Got something out of 4 there. Move this a little bit. I'm bumping the camera with my hand here. Ah, crap. That's what I get for screwing around. Okay, let's try that again. There we go. Catching that again, I'm not careful. Get up there. Oh my god. Still not used to picking around the camera. Just throws everything off for me a little bit. There it goes. That wasn't too awful bad. Definitely open. Definitely open. Cool. Alright. Wasn't too bad for a Fast Charlie. And let's see here. We'll go with this because it's on top. Slide this down a little bit. That maybe. I have to bring the whole thing down. It looks a little blurry. That looks a little bit better. Slide this up a little bit now. Maybe. Okay. Let's quit screwing around with that and get into this. Let's see. I'm going to try to do this without untaping the key, but I may have to. And I'll be able to get this straight up. Whoops, I just locked it back up. Shit. Oh well. Just run taping the key. Or I could pick it again. Well, I have plenty of electrical tape, so we'll just do that. Here we go, there's the key. Not horrible. There's a shim. That just doesn't want to go in there. There it goes. I think it's off to the side. There it goes. Now we need a follower. Let's see if we can do this without screwing it up too bad. That was close. See the way that follower came out. Okay. One is got nice threads in it, or serrations. I'd call them threads, I guess. Two is standard. Three doesn't want to come out. Three is a nice little spool, very deep cut. Four has got a couple nice serrations in it, and five is a tiny, tiny standard key pin. And let's see here. One is threaded. 4 and 5 are threaded. See that or not? Probably not. But they're threaded. Take my word for it. I wouldn't lie. Now, let's see here. Take my word for it. I wouldn't lie. Oh, that's interesting. That is a two-piece pin. Nice, nice, nice. There's a spring. Nice little copper spring. Try to get some close-ups of those pins here in a minute. There it is. Oh wow, look at that. That's very cool. Very cool. Have a steel spring on that one. There's number 3. You see that? That's a really cool pin there too. Let's see here, get that spring out of there. And a steel spring for number 3. Number 5 has a nice little barrel pin with a wafer, a real thin wafer. It's not coming out, but that's okay. We'll get it in a second. And key pin number 4, nice deep cut spool. See that spring come out now. Let's see here. Well, 4 and 5 are kind of stuck in there, so they're going to stay there for now. Yeah, we're just going to leave them in there. They look really tiny. Keep that right there for a second. There's key pin number 1, a couple nice little serrations in that. With this nice 2-part pin. Just like that. Little tiny T-pin, and it fits right in there. It's really cool. And key pin number 2 is standard. With this very cool looking driver. I don't know what to call that, but deep cut spool with a nice deep, I guess I'd call that a serration there. That's really cool. Key pin number 3, nice deep spool on it. And there's driver number 3. Not almost looks like a 2-part pin, but it is one solid pin. I think he peened it over a little bit. I think it's a pin and pin and it floats. And he peened the end over a little bit. That's what it looks like to me. That's very cool. And where we at? Let's key pin number 4, a couple nice serrations in it. Driver 4, nice potato masher. And key pin 5, standard. And driver 5 is, again, almost like a bowling pin almost, with a tiny wafer in it. Get that back up there. And there we go. Let's see if I can zoom this up real quick. Maybe. There's a halfway decent shot of all the pins. Alright. That is Who Are You by Fast Charlie. Haven't seen him around much, but I know he's around. Okay, everybody, thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay legal, stay lawful. There is a difference. Everybody, have a great day, great rest of your week. And thanks for watching, and tell your friends.